Having served 7 years of my life in this great brigade, I think that I'm qualified to say that the Thunder Warriors of the 159th Combat Aviation Brigade have indeed forged a record of high achievement in the annals of the American Army.
The legacy of this unit doesn't center around the colors we case today. It centers around those soldiers that were honored to serve in this great brigade, and it will live on in each and every one of you. I want all of you to carry the 159 history and traditions wherever you go for the rest of your lives. Keep that legacy alive, because you earned it.